Hello, friends. Welcome to Knowledge Planet for Kids, where learning English is fun and exciting. Today, we'll practice easy and useful English conversations, starting with the morning routine at home. Are you ready? Let's get started. Good morning, Sarah. It's time to wake up. Good morning, Mom. What time is it? It's 7 a.m. Hurry up, or you'll be late for school. Okay, I'm getting up. What's for breakfast? I've made pancakes and scrambled eggs. Would you like some orange juice? Yes, please. I love orange juice. Don't forget to brush your teeth before breakfast. I'll do it right now. The pancakes are delicious. Thank you, Mom. I'm glad you like them. Do you have everything packed for school? Yes, my bag is ready. Good. Finish your breakfast quickly, or you'll miss the bus. Don't worry, I'll be ready on time. Great job, everyone. You've learned some useful English phrases today. Keep practicing, and you'll get better every day. Subscribe to Knowledge Planet for Kids for more fun learning. See you next time. Bye-bye.